All right, let's do it. We got ready. Time to hit Texas, phase 2. Let's get it.
After a year of physically working on the off-grid shipping containers, we're ready for the next phase. But first, it looks like we've got lots of yard work to do. I think we can open it up.
Surprise.
See what comes out. Any surprises?
Not yet.
Don't say yet. Now we can focus on what's priority for this trip. That's more power. So basically when you're off-grid, your bread and butter is the sun and the rain. Right? Because solar has been running everything for us, you know, from the fridge to our lights to everything.
Our little extra solar generators. We are what you call power poor. Maybe there's a word for that. Maybe there's a you think so. Power poor. We don't have a big solar system at all. We are poor. We only have maybe a 2 kilowatt system. But even with the small system we have, I mean, we're able to do amazing things. Our Western style of living isn't really changed by much. You know, sometimes you have to be aware of, you know, the weather because you have to manage your battery usage. This is your supply of energy and you have to manage it like a big boy and girl. So sometimes you have to pay attention, whereas in the Western world we wouldn't. You have to be aware of how often you water your garden and because you're using rainwater. You have to be aware of that. So you have to manage your resources. You don't have, you know, you're your own EPA.
So we had more solar panels delivered. So what's this about?
This is leading to our AC unit. Because we have a 48 volt system, it allows us to run to get actually bigger bang for our buck. And so there's a 48 volt split unit AC unit, American made, hoorah,
Hoorah!
hoorah, that we're going to hook up. And so it runs off of 4 solar panels. Yeah.
3.
Excuse me, 3. 4 batteries, 3 solar panels. So we're getting some additional solar panels so we can store some additional energy into the batteries, and that additional energy when stored in the batteries is what the 48 volt AC is going to use to run.
But when it was time to open the boxes...
Oh, it actually is a print on there.
It's one there too.
Somebody's been stepping on our panel, so if it doesn't work, We know why. Let me see your boot so everybody knows it wasn't the bottom of your boot.
I don't want the bottom of my boots. Look at that. It's got all kinds of stuff on it. That's weight somebody put.
Well, that could have been just on the box before it got stacked.
We're gonna find out.
Yeah.
Time to find out if wishful thinking actually works.
Oh my God, is that broken?
It's broken. Look at that.
Oh my goodness. All right, oh. Oh man.
Yep, somebody stepped on it.
Oh my God, that's like broke. We should call him now and have him come back.
Yeah, call them.
We did call the company and we had no issues. They sent us a replacement within 2 weeks, so it didn't slow us down too much. We're still on target.
For us staying here, we spent maybe $30 in propane.
Yeah.
But that's 3 weeks of staying, almost 4 weeks of staying.
That's our utility costs.
That's our utility costs. So, not bad.
Right.
Not bad. No water cost, just the propane cost for right now. So I'm really impressed by how well everything came together, because the whole goal was to have a minimal lifestyle where you still preserve your standard of living, but you don't have to work extremely hard for it. You can still spend your time traveling and enjoying the things. Your lifestyle doesn't suck things out of you so much where you just have to be tied down with debts and burdens. So that's what this is, and it's coming together nicely to the point where it is going to be minimal to live here. I mean, literally minimal. No water costs, no electric costs, and little to none propane with the passive heating and cooling.
It truly is a win-win. We are getting closer to zero waste every day while building a legacy, and we're learning so much and having so much fun while doing it.
Good shot. Duck walk it like you know, heel toe. There you go. Damn. Whoa. You done. That's it. First. And you're going to shoot with this pad right here. Go ahead. Keep moving with it.
Woo! Get it! Woo! Yeah!
That's pretty good. You got 2 more.
That wasn't too bad, Kareem. This is easy.
Show off! We still have a pretty big list to get through, including building a real deck. The temporary arrangements aren't working for everybody.
So this is Echo's first time. He couldn't go out. He's got to figure out a way in. Come on in. You got it. You got it. Oh, don't give up.
It's not a cow guard. Don't let those cows across the street make you believe you can't cross that. Come on, Echo. You can do it.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, you can do it.
Good body.
Come on, come get that carrot.
Come for that carrot.
Want that carrot?
Yeah.
Come get it. Yeah. Come on. You're so close.
Oh, you got it.
10 more steps.
Come on.
You have the carrot. Yep. 10 more steps. Yep. One big one though.
Yay.
Close. Did he? Oh.
You did.
Echo did get his carrot, and we added a mat to make his trip a little more comfortable. In the meantime, we have lots of work to do on this trip, like installing doors, getting hot water, and getting off the air mattress. Thanks for taking this off-grid journey with us.
Like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know when we release more videos. In the meantime, check out our website, greendesert.org, for all sorts of self-sufficiency tips, including a whole page on natural remedies. Also, we save all of our GMO-free seeds from the garden, and what we don't use or donate, we offer on our Green Desert Lifestyle Etsy shop. So check that out too.